Hi, today in this video we show you how to create these super funny paper earrings for Halloween. They are made in the form of a witch hat and they are quite easy to create. Okay, let's get started to create them. We will need a piece of black paper, or if you want, if you prefer in another color, and then with something rounded we will need like this part. We will need with the pencil trace and draw this circle that we will cut later using a scissor. Okay, now we will cut our circle. It doesn't be perfect, and with a pair of scissors we will cut this. Okay. Okay. Now we will need to cut in half, fold and cut in half this circle, and I've already did this operation. Here are my two half, and then now with something rounded we will fold in this way our piece of paper in order to create this part. Okay, we will do in this way. Okay, now we will need to glue the two pieces together. Trace a little line here. This will be the final part where you will arrive with your glue, with some white glue. We will glue together the two parts. Here, press together your piece of paper. We will put another little glue here, and then press together. Voila, here this part. Now if you have with a paper punch like this one, you can create this part of the hat, or if you don't have the paper punch, you can create the circle in the same way as before with something rounded. Okay, now we will need to glue together these two parts, but before, better to punch a little hole here, because we will need to insert this part. So punch a little hole. We will have to do in this way. Okay, now before to insert this part, we will glue together the two paper pieces, put some glue here, and glue together these two parts of our hat. Voila, leave it to dry your hat. Now our hat is ready, and we need to insert this in our hole, and then we will need to create to round this part and to create maybe it's a little long, just a second. It's a little too long. Just a second that I adjust my okay, now I was able to round it, and then we will put this here and round again. I'm not so good into this. Voila, here our finished earring, and they are so nice. And you can also put something like this little ghost, or with a white pen you can create here a spider web and other things, or you can glue a pumpkin, a bat, as you like. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with a new paper creation. Bye bye.